If you want to make text overlay on an image in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and most flexible way to layer text directly over an image using a container background. This method is perfect for hero sections, headers, banners, and any layout where you want your text to sit cleanly on top of an image. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Elementor tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel and it lets you know when new videos go live. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your page in Elementor and go to the section where you want to add your image with text on top. The first thing you need to do is add a new container. To do that, click the plus icon and create a fresh container on your page. This container is going to act like the main box that holds both your background image and your text. Once the container is added, click on it so you can edit its settings. On the left panel, go to the Style tab. This is where you'll control how the container looks visually. Under the Background section, choose Classic as the background type. Then upload the image you want to use. This image will become the backdrop behind your text. After uploading the image, you'll want to make sure it displays properly. Set the background display size to cover. This is important because it tells Elementor to scale the image so it fills the full container area without awkward empty space. If your image is too small or doesn't fit correctly, cover usually gives you the cleanest and most professional result. Now that the background image is in place, it's time to add your text. From the left panel, drag in a heading widget or a text editor widget and drop it directly inside the same container. Since the text is inside the container, it will appear on top of the background image instead of below it. This is the key step that creates the overlay effect. You can now customize the text however you want. Change the heading, adjust the font size, choose a font color that stands out against the image, and make sure the text is readable. If your image is busy or very bright, using a white font or adding a darker overlay behind the text can really improve visibility. Next, let's position the text properly. Open the container's layout settings and look for the Flexbox alignment options. This is where you can center the text vertically and horizontally, or move it toward the bottom of the container if you want a more dramatic banner-style layout. For example, if you're building a hero section, centering the text can look clean and modern. If you want a cinematic look, placing the text lower on the image can work really well. Take a moment to adjust the padding too, because padding gives your text breathing room and helps you control exactly where it sits over the image. Small padding changes can make a big difference in how polished the final design looks. If needed, you can also add more elements into the same container, like a button or a short paragraph underneath the heading. That way, you can build a complete overlay section with a headline, supporting text, and a call to action all on top of one image. And that's the basic process. Add a container, set the background image in the Style tab, make sure the display size is set to cover, place your text widget inside the container, and use the layout settings to align everything exactly where you want it. Once you get comfortable with this, you'll be able to create clean image overlays for landing pages, headers, promo banners, and more in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Elementor step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.